Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today we talk about how we can create BRC-20 token, means Bitcoin ordinals, and how we can list or mint our NFT on Bitcoin blockchain. So here is the website unisat.io. So first of all we need a wallet like MetaMask. So for Bitcoin we have a Unisat wallet, so we can here click download, and for extension download for Chrome, and then we have some Bitcoin in our wallet, and here we have in inscribe, and here what you want to mint like files, sets, text, BRC-20. So here you can list JPG, web, PNG, GIF like as a NFT, and the address. If someone buy the NFT, you will receive your amount, and then you can submit and pay invoice, or you can create BRC-20. So here is the listed BRC-20, and here BRC-20 we can first we will deploy. Here we will get put name like 4 digits, and the supply and the mint per limit, like how many tokens we want to mint. So we will make it next, and it will take 10 minutes to confirm the transaction. So after you will get the address, then you can mint here amount and the make it next. So your token will be generated, and then you can here BRC-20, and you can check out your balance of the address. So you will paste here your wallet address, and you can check the balance of your token. Here is the marketplace for the NFTs and tokens, and listed and people buying. Here is the unconfirmed mint, people minting this NFT, and also this is the text like mint, this is the name, and also we have these videos and audio. You can mint or list anything. There is many options.